Hello everyone, I am Dr. Keswa, Associate Professor in Department of Computer Engineering of AISSMS, Institute of Information Technology, Pune. Today I am going to explain use of garbage collection and finalize method in Java. You all know that an object is created in a memory using new operator in Java. Dynamic memory allocation by new operator in Java from heap part of memory or memory is allocated in a heap part of memory. When an object is no more required, it must be removed from the heap part of memory so that memory can be reused for other objects. Also, it increases the security and reliability of project. Removing unwanted objects from memory is called garbage collection. And garbage collection is controlled by JVM or Java Virtual Machine in Java. In the language like C++, garbage collection is performed manually using destructor or use delete operator. Languages like C or C++ that do not offer automatic garbage collection, but Java have this facility. Writing a code that performs deletion of dynamic memory allocated in is a non-trivial and complex task, or it increases the development efforts of developer or programmer for a complex program or project. The solution for this is Java's garbage collector to automatically delete unwanted, unreferenced objects from the memory. It frees the developer or programmer from to add any memory management logic to your application. Garbage collection revolve around making sure that the heap has as much free space as possible. Heap is that part of memory where Java objects live, because in Java every object is created using new or memory is allocated using new, and it's the one and only part of memory that is in any way involved in garbage collection process of Java. When the garbage collector runs, its purpose is to find and delete objects that cannot be reached. If no more memory is available for the heap, then the new operator trying to allocate memory but memory is not available, then it throw an exception as a out of memory exception. Why garbage collection required, or why to learn garbage collection? It free unreferenced unwanted objects from the heap part of memory. It free heap part of memory as possible. Compact heap fragmentation. Relieves programmer from manual freeing the memory or manual adding the logic into the or writing the code into the program or project. It helps in ensuring program integrity. Garbage collection terms of Java. What is the purpose? Find and delete unreachable, unreferenced objects. Free heap space as much as possible. When garbage collector called, GC is under the control of JVM, but programmer can request but not demand on to run the garbage collector. How GC works? Discovery of unreachable and unreferenced objects from the heap part. There are so many algorithms are available. With the help of algorithm, the garbage collector work in Java. Way for making object eligible for collection. What are the different methods? There is first one is nulling a reference, reassigning a reference variable, or isolating a reference. Forcing garbage collection in Java by using method availables to perform garbage collector. Only requests but no demand, using runtime classes, using static method like system.gc. What are the disadvantages of garbage collector? Garbage collection or collector is a overhead. System has to stop current execution to execute it. Cause short stop and may influence users' experience. We can do nothing to improve garbage collector but only improve out program. Less control over scheduling of CPU time. Then what is finalization? Finalization is a mechanism, or Java provides finalization mechanism to run some code just before your object is deleted by the garbage collector, or if that object is required for your future, then you have to run finalize method, and finalize method take care of object in your program. This code is located in a method named finalize that all classes inherit from class object. There are couple of consequences concerning finalize method, or when you are going to use a finalize method, you need to remember for any given object, finalize will be called only once by the garbage collector. Calling finalize can actually result in saving an object from deletion. Right before an asset is freed or resources are freed, the Java runtime calls the finalize method on the object. The syntax of finalize method is protected void finalize. Finalize is the method. It has no return type, that's why return void. And protected keyword is access specifier so that any object of outside class cannot access to this method. The finalize method is called just before when Java runtime system perform garbage collection. In C++, you can define a destructor for a class to destroy or delete object from the memory, or those objects out of scope we can delete using the destructor delete keyword or delete operator. In Java there is no need for this because garbage collector is there. Thank you for learning.